Welcome back, friend. I am Muhammad Tahar Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, we have made this layout till this level. So friend, one change I have done. So in spite of teal, if I refresh, so this is the teal. Actually it is not looking good. #000, Control S to save. Now I come here and refresh this page. Now these images are looking more good. So friend, just I have changed the background color. Dot feature / photo, I change the background color. So friend, in this video I go to index.html and we will begin work in index.html page. So friend, I come down this section feature images end, where the section feature images ends. So I press enter and here I will make one more section. Actually I will make a contact form in this section and section close, and here I will write the comment contact form stars, and I copy it and paste it here. So here I will write ends, contact form ends. So friend, in this section, inside this section, I will write all the code of contact form. So first of all, I will make a form tag, form start, and here I will close the form tag. So friend, inside this form tag, first I use it as attribute method is equal to post, and I give action #sign. So I also give a class to it. Class is equal to context / form. Control S to save. So now I press enter and inside it I will make one h1 tag and I will use inline style method. First of all, I tell you that I will write here just x and I close this h1, and now I will use the inline style method is equal to double cars, and I define its color white to hide it. Control S to save. So now friend, I come down here and here I will write h2, and inside first I close the h2 and inside I write some text. We are happy to listen from you, and once again I will use inline CSS method style is equal to double cars. So I use the text align property, center, and semicolon to close. And friend, I will also give a class to it. Class is equal to double cars big. Control S to save. So now friend, I come down, and after this H2, right after this H2, I will make a div, and I close this div down, press enter, and I close the div. And inside this div, friend, I will use the label tag, label, and I write here your name and label close. So now I come out of this div and I use input tag. Input type is equal to text. I give some name to it. Name is equal to the same name I gave. ID is equal to, once again I give the name ID, and I use some placeholder is equal to double quotes, and I close this input tag. Here I write your name. Control S to save. So now friend, I go to my Chrome browser and see that what's happening under these images. So I refresh. So you see that this little your name little input tag is showing. So once again I come back to my Notepad++, and I press enter, and once again I make one more div, and here I close this div. And in the same way friend, I will make a label tag first inside this div, label, and here I will write your name, and I will close the label tag like I use this one, label, and in this time I will write here, in spite of name, your email. And now I come out of this div and I will use the input tag. One more, input type is equal to, first I close it, text, define a name for it. Name is equal to name, ID is equal to name. In spite of name, I should not use name, I should use the email this time, because this ID input tag is about the email. So I write here email, placeholder is equal to, and here I will write your email, Control S to save. So now I once again go to my browser and I refresh this page. So friend, you are watching that we are happy to listen from you is showing in this way, because we have not stylized them, this form, in our style.css page, and your name and your email. Your name is showing here and your email is showing here, are showing in this way. So friend, I think this video has become enough lengthy, so I will come in next video and I will make one more div, and inside that div I will make a label tag and one more input tag.